Hello, in this video, we'll look inside pronunciations and walk through how to use custom pronunciations and alias names in Trupeer. First, I'll show you how to create a custom pronunciation. Start by clicking on Add New Pronunciation. This is the new update we've released. Here, I'll enter an example word, evaluva. If this word is pronounced a little differently and I want it to be spoken as I valua, I'll enter I valua here. To check whether the sound matches exactly, click on the play option. You can hear the difference between the original sound and the text I entered here. Then click on Save option. Once I configure it, it will pronounce the word exactly as entered. To verify that it's pronouncing correctly, just click on it. I value it. Now, I'll show you how to add an alias to an existing voice. This is the existing one. Now, I'll play the existing voice so you can check it. Resonect. You can hear it playing as Resonect. When I click on the three dots, I'll see the migrate to the alias option. After clicking it, a pop-up will appear. Here, you'll see some information for the user about this feature. You'll also see the Resonect word that I added previously. Now I'll enter the proper word, Risconnect. Next, I'll do the same thing and play it. You can hear the difference with Risconnect. You can enter here exactly how you want the particular word to be pronounced. Once done, click on the Migrate option. This will automatically change the voice. Now, instead of the previous one, you'll see the new updated voice, Risconnect. That's how you can use the alias feature in the Trupeer pronunciation. It helps a lot with particular word capturing and voice capturing. Thank you.